Hi there, Brian Hollenbach, Chief Operating Officer of Net Display Systems, the manufacturer of the PADS4 software. I'm very excited to showcase our digital signage offering at ISE 2023. We are historically known for our digital signage, and as you can see here within the retail industry, this is something that we've been very strong at, as well as now our manufacturing industries such as dashboards and KPIs that we're showing. With the PADS4 system, it's very easy to create dashboards and digital signage with our PADS4 designer, and we're very excited to announce our web designer, which means that you can create content with any web-enabled device, whether that's a Windows device, a Mac device, Linux for those that are interested in that as well. You can generate beautiful content with our platform. We are very proud to announce with our different types of integrations that you have data providers that allow you to integrate any data that you could possibly imagine, as long as it's readable data within the system, showing vital information, whether it's for your manufacturing or your critical operations. It is very easy to show those in a very nice looking and feeling dashboard and experience for your users. For more information, you're more than welcome to visit our website, which is www.pads4.com, and we're happy to provide you with anything that you might require.